The round wagon chandelier. E12, 12 bulbs, 40-watt maximum per bulb. You could put any type of E12 bulb in. This is an E12 bulb, round, Edison type, smart RGB type. Takes again a maximum of a 40-watt bulb. The shafts come off and they're very easy to be cleaned. You could clean the chandelier, place onto the shaft again, and simply place in your bulb as easy as 1, 2, 3. Turning the unit on, you can see the RGB bulb lit, the old candelabra bulbs, and the old-fashioned round bulbs. Looking from the top of the unit coming down, you can see underneath how the chandelier will look to you. It is lit up nice and low. As we raise it to 100%, you get an idea of the brightness of the unit looking up at the ceiling and room. A close-up of the bulbs at the maximum of 100%, 40 watts, and so on. Decrease down to a low-level light gives you an idea and the accent of the chandelier. You can see the chain links, the bar, and how things are connected with the wiring. The chandelier measures 32 inches in diameter. Check online for further details of the size and model you are after. You're going to simply install, choose the height you want. We can raise and lower this, give you an idea in demonstration purposes only of what the chandelier looks like in the longer chain. This is a Wagon whale chandelier. They come in 2 sizes. Check online for further details. You can hang this on a straight sailing, sloped sailing. It has a minimum height and a maximum height with E12 bulbs not included. I'll show you how simple this is to install. Everything's nicely wrapped up. We have the chains, 3 adjustable heights, 12, 20, and 40 inches about. Your 4 sections that are going to be wired up, protected with foam of the E12 bulb chandelier sticks that measures about 4 inches in height. Your top bracket bolts hardware. The bottom base with the wiring and the floating chandelier base. Your 4 poles, linkage to hook up. Familiarize yourself with the parts, and what you're going to do is you're going to twist the leads together. On each of the poles, you're going to slide in to the stem and out the other end, and repeat for the other 3 poles. We have a linkage. We slide it over onto each of the pole, and we start to lock down. In an open area, you're going to unscrew, slide back the plastic, lift off the cover. You're going to take one of the rods, you're going to twist and slide through the hole. You're going to leave that aside and get yourself a screwdriver, Phillips. Unscrew the bolt. Unscrew the second bolt in the front. Slide the 2 pieces together. Place back the screw and the screw on top. You're going to repeat for the other 3. With more room, we're going to now slide the pole closest to the 2 links and take one of the links and hook them up. For my demonstration purposes, I'm going to take each of the neutrals 2 at a time and twist. Then I'm going to take the neutrals again and twist. And then take the last neutral and twist. We have a white cap that you need to crimp, or you have a wire nut that you could twist together. You have all the loads, twist two, twist the other two, twist the two together, and the last load together. Place on and crimp, or wire nut down. Dress in, close up. You have a short chain, a medium chain, and a long chain, and an extra link. Depending on the height you're hanging, open up the link, put your chain on, close the link, open the other link up, and place your top cap on and close the link. Dress your leads through the chain, through the hole, and mount. So we're going to take our lead, every other one, and dress it up. We have our hook that we're going to slide through, that we took off. Snake our leads through. Snake through the hole. And screw on your cap. If you're satisfied with the height, put your cover on, lift the ring up, and lock down. Remove all the protective covering. If you ever need to clean the unit, the covers come off so you can clean them. Clean around the unit. This is for indoor use. Any type of E12 bulbs can be used, like so. Ones that light up different colors, the old-fashioned classic bulbs, and so on. Tall ceiling, angle ceilings. This chandelier could be hung anywhere. It could be hung on an angle. If you're looking to brighten up your living room, hallway, dining room, kitchen, this chandelier may be right for you. You could put it up on a dimmer switch, a timer switch, and here we are, lowering it down. I hope you enjoy your chandelier, if this is right for you.